How to turn on paperless statements in Regions Bank Online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to turn on paperless statements in Regions Bank Online. So first thing, just head over to your any web browser and just head over to the regions.com website and make sure you're currently logged into your online banking account. And once you successfully log into your account, just head over to the option that is online statements from the accounts menu, then find and click the link to manage my statement delivery and email preference, and just follow the on-screen instructions from over there. And simply you can also do the same for the credit cards. So if you are using credit card accounts, you just have to log in and just click on I want to option and just click on its drop down menu. And once you click on that, from there you should select the option or see the option that is view statements from the menu. So simply click on it and click on enroll in online statements for credit card account you wish to enroll. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.